This video is on the different types of folding techniques for pretzel boli. Your dough will stretch approximately 1 inch per ounce, and always remember that your finished product should always have the pretzel flavor presented first. The burrito wrap is a 50-50 fold over with the ends sealed. Be careful not to get a dog bone look if you don't square off the end. This next technique is the best way because you will fold it over and over itself and the air will get trapped between the dough and give you the best result. Two ounces of cheese, 2 slices of ham, and 1 slice of American cheese is all you will need for approximately 7-ounce, 8-inch product. Remember, the power of the pretzel is that you do not need to overfill the center because you do want the pretzel first as a flavor profile. In the proper technique, 3/4 of it is exposed. You will follow the natural line, fold over, but do not squeeze too hard because you'll make your product too small. You want it approximately 4 fingers wide, 3.5 inches. Leave the 1 inch flap, flip. Now take this and slack it out across the back, usually beyond the halfway point. Flip, done. Hand mold, and you're ready to go. This burger technique has approximately 6 to 7 pinches. You'll lay the burger, about 1 inch around the burger will be the dough, and start folding over. Flip. Slice a little air hole. Technique number 2 is almost like the first. You'll put your burger or burgers there, leave 1 inch around. Now you'll make a slightly wider flap and fold and pinch, requiring less of them, and will give you a slightly different texture and baking time on the bottom. Hand shape. Pinch brown salt and start baking. Now you've baked your bun around the burger. This is a calzone technique, great with eggs, as calzone is a traditional breakfast. Simply add your fillings and then proceed to fold in half. Once again, you do not need a lot of fillings. You want to present the pretzel flavor first. Remember, it's a Hershey's almond bar, not an almond Hershey's bar. Seal the ends, pinch down, and you're ready to go. Salt, brown, little air hole, off to baking. Next are the bowls. Anytime you're making a bowl, measure your mold, width and height, and then that will be approximately the ounces you will need in your sheet. This is about 10 inches, so we will make it 9 inches, allowing us a little stretchability to seal around the bottom of the mold. Salt, brown, bake, and it takes any shape. Thank you for watching this video. Here's the finished product.